Okay, because you asked for it, we have the tri-motor setup, twins and single on the back. I'll put a bigger battery in the nose so it'll balance the motor at the back. It's all working. It's the sound of 3 motors. Alright, let's go for a fly. Check the CG. I might put a camera on the nose just to make sure the CG is forward. Give it plenty of welly. Cool, listen to that sound. Oh, it's flying nice and steady now too. So that's flying very well. We've still got a bit of wind around, probably 10 knots at least. 3 motors sound cool. I'll do one fast run and then put this puppy to bed. Get back to some reasonable flying. There we go. Victory roll and bring it into land. Gliding it in. How cool is that? Okay, enough getting rid of the 3 motors now. Will it slope? We're about to find out. Won't need the motor, I don't think, but here we go. Woohoo! Oh, look at that, that's great. Loves to slope. How cool is that? Woohoo! Wind's a bit off to the east, to my left, so it's going slow up there and fast back this way. Nothing wrong with that. No lift spot there, but it's going fine. No dramas, that's a good sloper. Nice landing too. Excellent. Now I want to try some mapping along the coast here, and well, for a proper mapping camera you really need a rectilinear lens. You don't want the GoPro style extreme wide angle lens, so I'm going to use my Canon S100 compact. Just have to fit it in here somehow. That way, I think. I had to trim off these wing nuts to be able to fit it in. Sort of squeezes in there. There we go. Okay, now we're good. It's ticking away. I'm just going to fly along the coast, see if I can put together a sort of a montage. All right. Oh, be so careful. All right, let's try that. I couldn't do mapping going along the beach. Wing would be pointing out to sea too much. So I turned around and went inland and tried to fly directly into the wind to get a straight path. Not that successful, but at least I've learned a fair bit. Works well as a slope soarer. Looks really cool on the slope. Looks like a big bird of prey. And the tri-motor setup was fun to try, but just sucks through the batteries too quickly without gaining much performance at all. Sounds good anyway. So that was fun. Thanks for watching.